present in the last 2 days, you all have seen how the functioning happens, and I am not comfortable in having. If you are organizing a carnival committee, it has to go smoothly. In unity, it is everyone has to get together and organize it. It is not only one-sided or something. If I am not comfortable in such a setting, me being on the post of a general secretary does not arise.
So you didn't get cooperation from certain councillors?
It is not, it is, I won't say about cooperation, but when you know there are differences among members itself, and you are not willing to be a part of the disputes that are going on between them, it is better that I stand out, because I do not have any issues with having anyone into place. So I will not encourage such.
You were not having the freedom to do what you wanted?
It is not about freedom to do what I want. It's to have every decision should be taken peacefully, basically. Come, discuss, and we will sort it out, which I don't think is happening. And seeing that the carnival is hardly some 8 to 10 days down the line, or if we are going to continue and having our own arguments regarding it, we are delaying everything. So in the best interest of everyone, it is better that I step down, and they can, whoever wants to be can join the post of the treasurer.
And the first meeting that happened on Wednesday, you then selected and there was some chaos in that meeting by some councillors, and when they disputed, they wanted to throw some, that they wanted to dissolve the some committees. Why this has happened? Or was this the reason for you to quit as a general secretary? One of the reasons?
It is one of the reasons. I go fairly. We have conducted a meeting. I have accepted the names for the chairperson. I have done it solely based on what people have told me. I have not put my decisions over there, and it is not mine. So when in the first, it shouldn't have been called off if it wasn't valid in the first place, isn't it? Why was it called? Why was everyone present if the meeting was, if they knew that I had not given an official letter? Now blame comes on me that I have not done it. I am responsible for it. So I am not to see small petty issues that are happening here and there. I am not comfortable. So that's why I have given the resignation. Today I have given my resignation from the post of General Secretary for the Mapsa Municipal Carnival Committee. In the last few days, the scenario that I have seen and observed, and I have felt that I am not comfortable with the functioning of the committees, and I am causing an hindrance to the other members in the committee. As a result, today I tendered my resignation to of the Carnival Committee.